Uh, Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a AI coding agent I recently found on internet just a few days back. The name of the agent is Command Code, and it basically requires a single dollar for the subscription. So it's really insane AI coding agent if you directly go to Google Command Code, and it is not free. I just want to tell you it's a paid subscription tool, but it just got a single dollar. Subscription cost is just $1. You can get started if you simply type this, the very first website which comes directly. This is it contains all the AI models. It's similar to Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. So this is their official website, commandcode.ai. I'm personally using it for past 4 weeks and I'm getting a lot of good results. The installation part is quite easy. You simply type npm-g for globally installing this. So simply copy this command and directly you go to the terminal and simply paste the command. And this will globally install this tool. And you can see that just the subscription cost is just $1 per month. You will see that, and you will also get $40 in free credits as well once you sign up. So I originally got $40 once I sign up in free credits as well. So if I show you the pricing page, the it starts with just $1, and you get $10 in free credits as well, and you get 15,000 requests as you see. You get $40 on DeepSeek for version 4 Pro. You also get this as well. So a lot of things you will get inside their paid plan. Just start from $1, and you can simply sign up here using your GitHub account as well, or sign up using your email address password. So it's very easy. So once you install this, you will see that the installation notification will come that it is successfully installed. So just grant the access to your GitHub account, and once it is granted the access, you will be redirected to the. So it will just send you this authentication code. You just need to write this code here. So click on verify after you verify your account here. So select the. So now it is verified. So you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So right here, you first of all log in after installing this agent. Simply type cmd login, and this will they also have a quick start documentation as well. So after installing this, you simply type command code dash dash version. So once you log in, you just need to store this API key, and then you can start interacting with building out coding applications, debugging your applications. You simply type the prompt here directly in the terminal, and the AI will start developing your application. This markdown file is required right here. So this file will automatically get created for you. So you can even update if full documentation is given to you. So it's a really nice coding agent directly available on the terminal. So definitely check this out. So from here you can even get a free API key. Simply click on generate API key, and so from here you get your API key. After, simply copy to clipboard. So after connecting your GitHub account, all these things will there. It will show you how much tokens you have spent right here. The total cost, total runs, everything will be shown right here. So inside the billing section, you will simply say you want the free line here. So first of all, to get started, you can even buy credits as well by clicking the buy credits button as well. But to get started, just require a single dollar to get started. After that, you get all these things. You get $10 credits, 15,000 requests, $40 DeepSeek version Pro, everything. So this is actually the tool right here. So definitely check this out, and they also have different modes here: interactive mode, headless mode, plan mode, custom agents you can even create as well. So it's an ultimate coding CLI tool. So these are all the commands you can simply say. So definitely check this out.